Hello guys, welcome to the Cloud DevOps Guru channel. So today we will learn about the Sed command. Sed command is Sed command is stands on stream editor. Sed command is used for find and replace the text or matching pattern from file. Okay, and Sed command also used for searching, find and replace, and insertion and deletion also, and deletion in the file. Okay, so syntax of the sed command is: sed is the command. Here we will pass the pattern, then we will use the file name. Okay, this is the syntax for the sed command. So sed command will use for search the pattern, and it will replace that pattern with your replacement word. Okay, for example, we will see the example in the Linux operating system. So for practice this, I had created the one file. So that is the cat sed practice. This is my file. Here Linux is occurred multiple times in the file. Here we have the Linux, here we have the Linux, here also it is occurred. So here we also have the Linux. Okay, it occurred multiple times in the file. I wanted to replace Linux word with the Unix. So you can use the sed yes for the search, slash is the delimiter, my pattern is the Linux. I wanted to search Linux and I wanted to replace with Unix in the file. My file name is the sed practice. So now you can see here Linux has replaced with the Unix. Here also Linux has replaced with the Unix. Here also Linux has replaced with the Unix. But it is not replaced the second occurrence Linux. Now you can see here. This is the second occurrence. So whenever you use this pattern for searching and replacing, so it will replace first occurrence of the your word. It will not replace the second occurrence or third occurrence of the word in your file, but it will replace only first occurrence in the file. But whenever you run the sed command, so it will not replace the actual file. You can see the actual file here. Actual file is not modified. Just it will modify in the output, but it will not affect into the actual file. If you want to save that modified data into the file, so you have to redirect it. So for redirection, you can use this symbol and you can give the file name, any file name. For example, test txt, for example. Now you can see cat test underscore txt. Now you can see this file has stored in as a test underscore txt. This is nothing but the redirection of the output into the another file. Okay, so here it is replacing only first occurrence of the your word, but you wanted to replace all the occurrence of the your word with the Unix. For example, I wanted to replace wherever is the Linux, I wanted to replace with the Unix in the all occurrence in the file. For that you can use the sed sed, S for the search, slash is the pattern. My pattern is slash is the delimiter. My pattern is the Linux. I wanted to replace with the Unix, slash. My file name is the sed practice. Now you can see wherever is the Linux, there it is replaced with the Unix. Oh, sorry. This is, if you want to replace all the occurrence, you can use the here G. So it will replace the all the occurrence. Now you can see here also it is replaced with the Unix. Here also it is replaced with the Unix. And first occurrences also it is replaced with the Unix. So in this way you can replace the all the occurrences. -G is nothing but the global replacement. Now we will understand. Sed is the command. This is the command. Okay. Yes means find or search. Slash is the delimiter. Linux is the pattern. Finding pattern. Unix is the replacement word. So you can use this command with your requirement while you are dealing with the configuration files. Okay, this is the major purpose. This is the major usage of the sed command. So we have the other usage of the sed command also. For example, you wanted to replace the word on the specific line. For example, I wanted to replace only with the first line. In the first line, for example, I wanted to replace only this Linux word with the Unix. I don't want to replace in other lines. Okay. So for this, you can use the sed yes slash. Here you can give the line name, line number. You can replace in the first line Linux with Unix slash your file name. Now you can see only first line Linux has replaced with the Unix. It is not replaced other occurrences in the file. Okay. So in this way also you can use the sed command. Sed command also used for the deleting the lines in the from the file. For example, I wanted to delete third line in the file. For example, you can use the sed 3d for delete the third line and your file name. So it will delete the third line from your file. In this way, you can delete the specific line from your file. So if you want to delete the last line in the file, you can use the, instead of using the number and D, you can use the dollar and D. Dollar means last line from your file. Okay. In this way, you can find and replace the words. You can also replace the word in the specific line, and also you can delete the specific line. Also, you can delete the last line of your file. So, and also you can delete line using the pattern also. If you want to search some pattern and delete that line, so you can use the sed slash your pattern name slash d and your file name. In this way, you can delete the matching pattern line from the file. So also you can replace the word from your specific lines which we had seen the using the one, right? So if you want to give the range of the line numbers in the sed command, so you can also give the range. You can use the sed 1 comma 3. You wanted to find out the pattern Linux, for example. I replace using the Unix slash and your file name. So in this way, you can also give the range of the lines in the your from your file. So mostly sed command is used for the finding the matching pattern and replacing the your replace word in your configuration files. So it is very useful while dealing with your configurations, and also it is very useful while writing the shell script. So if you like, please like my video, share the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you.